Hi, my name is Dr. Brannick Riggs. I have the privilege of sitting on the medical advisory board at doTERRA. I'm a family physician with a practice in rural Utah. I enjoy implementing essential oils into my practice as well as in my home. Today's topic is very personal for me because the Family Essentials Kit is the kit that my wife and I started with, and our love of oils has grown from there. Today I'm going to be talking about the Home Essentials Kit, which contains all of the same oils as the Family Essentials Kit, but just in a larger 15 ml bottle. So let's dive in. Essential oils have been used for millennia by almost every major civilization. Many ancient peoples used essential oils in spiritual or ritualistic practices, but even then, the power of essential oils to promote health was not overlooked. In recent years, essential oils have moved out of obscurity to become a hot topic of modern scientific research. Even after years of meticulous study, we are only just beginning to understand how powerful essential oils are. That brings us to another commonly asked question. Which oils should you be using? Understandably, there is no single answer to this question. Due to their unique chemical makeup, each essential oil offers different benefits, and the type and extent of benefits may also vary from person to person. Though individual needs and experience with essential oils vary, there are a number of essential oils that can help almost anyone achieve better wellness. For this reason, doTERRA created the Home Essentials Kit. This kit includes many of the most commonly used essential oils. It represents an opportunity to experience the powerful benefits of essential oils. The Home Essentials Kit is designed to allow you to respond to any health need, both your own and those of your family. Don't misunderstand. This kit isn't just for beginners. Even oil veterans will benefit from mastering the use of the oils in this kit. This best-selling kit comes with 15 ml bottles of lavender, lemon, peppermint, melaleuca, oregano, frankincense, doTERRA Breathe, DigestZen, doTERRA On Guard, and a 5 ml bottle of deep blue, and a diffuser. Rather than talk about the Home Essentials Kit by introducing each oil and its uses, it may be much more powerful to talk about the specific areas of wellness and which oils can play a contributory role in each of those areas. Let's talk first about how essential oils can affect mood. This is one of the best known benefits of essential oils. In fact, the entire practice of aromatherapy is built on the powerful effects that essential oils have on mood. When we talk about how essential oils affect mood, we are often talking about the aromatic use of essential oils or using essential oils in such a way that the volatile molecules that make up the oil are inhaled. The volatility of essential oils allow them to travel quickly through the air and affect mood. For many essential oil users, aromatic use is a comfortable way to get started because of the inherent level of safety offered. Under normal circumstances, it's difficult to use essential oils aromatically in a way that will even begin to approach an unsafe level of exposure. Now let's meet the oils. To help orient yourselves with the emotional benefits of the oils in the Home Essentials Kit, we've created this oil properties wheel. Let's talk about single oils first. On this wheel, we see that lemon can have an uplifting effect on mood. Frankincense is renewing. Lavender has calming properties. Melaleuca can be toning or have a grounding effect. Peppermint is energizing, and oregano warming benefits. Each of these essential oils can be used to powerfully promote their respective emotional benefits. Moving to the blends in the Home Essentials Kit, we can see that the blends have a more complex effect on mood because their constituent oils each exert unique effects on mood. For instance, a blend such as doTERRA Breathe, which is high in oils that have renewing and energizing effects, but also contain oils that have toning or grounding effects, often leads to feelings of invigoration while simultaneously causing the user to feel deeply grounded. Depending on the desired emotional benefit, use this wheel to find the appropriate oil or blend. Then, depending on the setting, you have a number of ways to use the oil. If you have a diffuser, this can be one of the easiest and most effective ways to enjoy the aromatic benefits of a given essential oil. Just add a few drops to your diffuser and enjoy. If a diffuser isn't available, you can place a drop or two in your hands and cup your hands around your nose while breathing deeply. Continue to breathe deeply for several breaths to enjoy the oil's benefits. You can also place the oil on a rear view mirror, ornament in your car, a pendant on a necklace, or apply over the chest to continuously enjoy aromatic benefits. The options to use oils aromatically are virtually limitless. Essential oils are also renowned for their cleansing properties, especially as many people begin to look for natural cleaning solutions. The Home Essential Kit includes a few essential oils that are particularly well known for their cleansing and purifying properties, namely lemon, melaleuca, oregano, and doTERRA On Guard. Each of these oils are properly used as a non-toxic all-purpose cleaner. To make a non-toxic cleaner with any of these oils, simply add a few drops to water in a spray bottle, spray on surfaces, and wipe off. While lemon, melaleuca, oregano, and doTERRA On Guard are all excellent cleaners, lemon essential oil is particularly renowned for its ability to clean surfaces of sticky residues. Try using lemon essential oil to remove residues from stickers, get gum out of fabrics or hair, or dissolve soap scum in the bathtub. When used as a cleaner, I'd like to remind everyone that essential oils should be diluted and tested on an inconspicuous area of the object or surface that you wish to use them on. When used on certain surfaces, they can dissolve or remove the finish due to their chemical composition. On most surfaces, though, they are an exceptional non-toxic cleaner. For many people, digestive health troubles such as an occasional indigestion, stomach upset, bowel looseness, and gas or bloating are some of the most frustrating. Fortunately, the Home Essentials Kit contains 2 oils that can be of great help when facing occasional bouts of these discomforts. Digest Zen Essential Oil Blend was formulated specifically to support digestion, soothe stomach upset, and maintain overall digestive health when taken internally. Known as doTERRA's Tummy Tamer Blend, this unique blend contains ginger, fennel, and coriander to help ease occasional stomach discomfort, including motion sickness and occasional indigestion, while peppermint, tarragon, anise, and caraway aid with digestion and help maintain a healthy gastrointestinal tract. Digestin is great to have on hand when stomach upset occurs and is safe and effective. Internal use of Digestin is a healthy, natural, and gentle way to soothe an upset stomach or maintain a healthy digestive system. There are many ways to use Digestin essential oil, but here are a few suggestions. Add a few drops to water for its digestive benefits, or rub on the stomach or soles of the feet before flying or taking a road trip for a calming aroma. Have Digestin on hand while enjoying heavy holiday meals to take internally to promote digestion. Take Digestin when trying new foods or traveling to soothe occasional stomach upset. Add a few drops to water and take internally to ease occasional looseness of bowels. As an oil included in the Digestin Essential Oil Blend, peppermint is also well known for its ability to aid digestion and support overall digestive health when ingested. This makes it particularly useful for those who may not enjoy the flavor or aroma of Digestin. Peppermint can be used in the same ways as Digestin. Many people find its aroma to be calming and often use peppermint aromatically while on road trips or flying. Let me share a personal experience about Digestin in my home. When our son Canyon was born, it became obvious fairly quickly from his behaviors after eating that he had digestive health troubles. It even made it difficult for him to sleep. A neighbor brought over a bottle of Digestin. As we began to apply it to his abdomen and feet, it appeared to have a soothing effect, and he became more calm. This was a huge relief as we continued to seek medical diagnosis and treatment for his challenges, and really opened our eyes to powerful benefits essential oils can offer us. When it comes to the skin, everyone wants clear, healthy-looking skin, but the long lists of chemicals in most skin products leave many wanting for a natural option. Essential oils represent an excellent natural option in skincare. In the Home Essentials Kit alone, there are several essential oils that have beneficial effects on the skin. Melaleuca is probably best known for its effect on skin, being able to calm occasional skin irritations and improve the appearance of blemishes. It also has a cooling effect when applied on skin. Lavender has similar effects and can improve the appearance of skin. Frankincense also improves the appearance of blemishes. And lemon essential oil can help cleanse the skin when applied topically. Just be sure to avoid UV light for many hours after applying lemon or other citrus oils topically. Each of these oils can be used in neat application to the skin, but if skin sensitivity is a concern, they can also be diluted with fractionated coconut oil. Just apply a drop of the appropriate oil to skin blemishes, imperfections, or the occasional skin irritation. Lavender or frankincense can be added to skin moisturizers for their refreshing scent and their ability to improve the appearance of skin. As your body's primary defense mechanism, the immune system is of great importance. Maintaining a healthy immune system requires proper nutrition, exercise, and a healthy lifestyle, but essential oils can help support a healthy immune system. The doTERRA On Guard, lavender, melaleuca, and oregano essential oils in the Home Essentials Kit may help support healthy immune function when taken internally. To take any of these oils internally, simply place a few drops in a cup of water or inside a veggie cap. Remember that when seeking daily support, it is both safer and more effective to use smaller, consistent amounts rather than a single large dose. We all know that exercise and intense activities induce physical adaptations which can be uncomfortable. Just think about how you felt after your last workout or day on your feet. doTERRA Deep Blue is perfect for a soothing massage after a long day of work or any other activity that leaves you with feelings of tension. Wintergreen, camphor, peppermint, blue tansy, blue chamomile, helichrysum, and osmanthus work together to soothe and cool. After long hours on the computer, try rubbing Deep Blue Essential Oil Blend on your fingers, wrists, shoulders, and neck. A few drops of Deep Blue Soothing Blend diluted in fractionated coconut oil can be part of a cooling and comforting massage, particularly after a day of heavy lifting at work or during a move. Before and after exercise or exertion, apply directly to the targeted area. Consider massaging Deep Blue with a few drops of carrier oil onto growing kids' legs before bedtime. Besides Deep Blue, you can also use peppermint essential oil as part of a soothing massage. When applied topically, it produces a cooling sensation, perfect for easing away tension. Let's talk a little bit about how to use the essential oils in the Home Essentials Kit to enjoy feelings of clearer breathing. Peppermint can also be taken internally, and when taken internally, it can support respiratory health. Lemon and oregano essential oils also support respiratory health when taken internally. A few drops of essential oil can be placed in a veggie cap or added to water for internal use. And let's not forget the traditional blending of equal parts peppermint, lavender, and lemon essential oils to promote a healthy respiratory system. Blending peppermint, lavender, and lemon together for internal use in equal parts is the same formula found in doTERRA's Tri-Ease soft gels, which were designed to protect against seasonal and environmental elements and promote a healthy respiratory system. Finally, let's talk about another essential oil in the Home Essentials Kit and its benefits. doTERRA Breathe Essential Oil Blend is a remarkable blend of essential oils, including laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, melaleuca, lemon, ravensara, and cardamom. Using doTERRA Breathe is simple yet powerful. doTERRA Breathe can be used aromatically for its soothing, cooling vapor. Add a few drops in a diffuser or rub it in your hands and then cup your hands around the nose while inhaling. It can also be applied topically to the chest and back. If skin sensitivity is a concern, fractionated coconut oil can be used to dilute the oil. Try diffusing doTERRA Breathe by your bed at night as needed. Let's summarize what we've learned in this presentation. First, we learned what essential oils are. They're natural, volatile liquids derived from plant parts. Essential oils have been used by civilizations since antiquity, and thanks to developments in modern science, scientists are now validating traditional essential oil use through new research. We're only starting to understand the profound health benefits that essential oils offer. Today we learned about the doTERRA Home Essentials Kit, a set of 10 of the most commonly used essential oils. These oils were selected for their ability to offer health benefits throughout numerous body systems. Thanks for listening.